Okay, so today we're going to be making a Java canvas. So first thing you want to do is make your main class extend canvas. Okay, then we have to import that. So next we're going to make a main method. Wait. Okay, so then we're going to make a instance of Jframe. Here we're going to put the name for it. I'm just going to say canvas. I'm going to import that. Okay, and then we're going to quickly make a new instance of our own class, main. We're going to use that later. And then we're going to set some properties for Jframe. So first thing, set size. jf.set size. We're going to say 600, 400. And then we're going to say jf.setVisible. And then we're going to say true. And then we're going to say jf.setDefault close operation. Say jframe.exit on close. And then finally we're going to say jf.add m. And that's the end that we created up here. Okay, so if we save this and run it, you'll see that a Java canvas came up, and then it says canvas right there because that's what we named it right here. Of course, it doesn't have anything in it, and if we want to put something in it, we're going to have a new method, public void paint, and it's going to have a parameter called graphics G. And then, of course, we're going to have to import that, but yeah. So first thing we're going to do is set the color for it. So g.setColor. And then we can say something like color.black. We can start off with that. And then to import that. And then we can start off by drawing a line. And then it gives us 4 parameters and basically, 4 arguments, and basically what this means is here, these two are the coordinates for the first endpoint of the line, and these two are the coordinates for the second endpoint, and this is a y coordinate, and this is this is the x coordinate, this is a y coordinate, pretty self-explanatory. So we'll do like 20, 20, 400, 400. Okay, so if we run that, we get a giant black line. So yeah. Okay, so we can make other stuff too. So g.drawRect makes a rectangle. So this basically means this is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate, this is the width and the height, pretty self-explanatory here as well. So say x coordinates 20, y coordinates 5, width 200, and then height say 300, I guess. Okay, so run that, and we get a giant rectangle. It's also black. So next we can have another shape, oval, and it's the same as a rectangle basically. So we can do 5, maybe 10. If we did the same here, obviously we would have a perfect circle. So let's do that real quick. And you see we get a perfect circle right there. Yeah, but we can also make it look different, so make it an oval, more of an oval. So yeah, there you go. And then say we want to change the colors in the middle, like we want the line to stay black, but want the rectangle to be a different color. We can have another g.setColor in between them. dot, we'll do green this time. So now, these two are going to be green and this one's going to be black. I hope you understand that. So basically we're changing the color of G to green after we've drawn the line. So the line's going to remain black because we set it before that as black. But now these two are going to be green. So we're going to run that and then see these two are green now. And then say we want this one to be another color. Set color. And right before it says straw oval, say color dot set, let's do red. So yeah, and there you go, it's red now. So that's how you use Java Canvas. You can use it for a lot of things like games and stuff. That's what a lot of people use it for. So yeah, thanks for watching, and bye.